Trekitt's a family business. It was started in 1986 in Abergavenny by my father and is now run by my brother and myself here in Hereford. We specialise in high-end equipment, clothing, footwear. Well, we've been working with Aku for about 6 years. They're a high-quality manufacturer and they're one of the last real boot makers left in Europe now. Well, the Navy SEAL came about almost by accident. It was a boot that Aku had in their range as a special project for the US, and we had hold of a sample pair. We showed them to some of our local customers, and they liked them. It's a great boot for moving around fast in hot conditions, but a little bit weak around the toe area and a little bit hard underfoot. What we wanted to do was develop it into a new model, the Pilgrim boot. So we wanted to increase the cushioning under the sole, increase the height of the boot at the back so that we had a bit more support, and most importantly get onto a different last, because the Navy SEAL last was quite a specific, tight-fitting last, and we wanted something which was more comfortable for longer periods of use.
Ho cominciato a 11 anni a lavorare, ho cominciato a riparare le calzature, mese suole, tacchi e via. Su 2 o 3 ditte importanti qua di Montebelluna, e dopo ho pensato di mettermi per conto mio per essere indipendente.
So we had the Navy SEAL. It's been a brilliant boot. It's still a brilliant boot. Perfect for its intended use. What we would like to do is to develop that further and introduce something a bit more rugged, a bit more robust, suitable for heavier packs, longer distances, and also for wet and dry conditions.
We improved the walkability, if we can call it like that, by increasing a little bit the toe spring, so it's much easier to walk with. We add the Gore-Tex membrane, so to make it waterproof, in the Gore version. Then, of course, there's the non-Gore version for dry climate and where you need that additional breathability. We improved the cushioning of the boot by adding an additional layer of EVA, so that now you have EVA on the forefoot and you have an increased thickness of EVA in the heel. The toe bumper here has been designed by Vibram to make sure that the cementing of the sole unit with the upper is long-lasting, so it protects the toe on one side, and on the other side it helps to improve the durability. The design of the sole unit has been done to make sure that when you're walking down on uneven terrain, then you have the right heel brake effect. So it's for safety and stability and grip. Another technology that we apply on most of our production is the Air 8000. Basically, it's laminating a breathable textile with a breathable backing. Instead of using a classic technique of putting glue in between them, we put a net glue and keep a lot of holes in between so that you have a great breathability.
So now we have the final production model of the Pilgrim. We've gone to a 6mm EVA on the sole, which is about as far as we can take it. And we've now got a 3mm EVA on top of the IMS inside the midsole. This is the desert boot, so this is the dry model with the Air 8000 upper. And this is the new temperate wet conditions boot, which has a Gore-Tex lining, making it totally waterproof.